Welcome back everyone. In this lecture, we're going to talk about inserting a node at a particular position in a linked list. And as always, we will create a function. And now this function will take three arguments: head, position, and value. And as always, we create a temporary node with a given value. And now we need to reach the position where we want to insert the node. And we can do this with the help of current pointer. We create a current pointer and set it equals to head. Our task is to reach the position where we want to insert the node. And for this, we use a for loop. We initialize the integer I as 1, and our loop will run when I is smaller than and equal to position minus 2, and current is not equal to null. And inside the loop, we update the current pointer to current.next. And after that, we update I to I plus 1. And at this point, you may be wondering why position minus 2. Now to understand this, let's take an example. Suppose we want to insert at position 4. So for that, we need to reach the third node of the list. Therefore, starting from head, our loop will run 2 times. And now we first set temporary nodes next as currents next, and then currents next to temporary node. And after that, we return head. And now there may be two more cases. The first one is that the position is 1, which means we are inserting at the beginning of the linked list. And for this, we can simply type an if statement: if position equals to 1, set temps next as head and return temp. And for the other case, let's see an example. Suppose we have a linked list with 3 elements and we want to insert an element at position 4. This means we want to insert the node at the end of the list. And in this case, our current pointer will reach the null position. And to handle this case, we can write an if statement when current pointer reaches null. For this, we simply return head. Now the complete function should look something like this. Let's head to the code editor to run what we just learned. Now here I'm back in the code, and let's type node star insert position node star head init position init x node star temp equals to new node x. If position equals 1, set temp dot next to head and return head. Sorry, return temp. Node star current equals head for init I equals to 1, I smaller than and equal to position minus 2, and current not equal to null, and I plus plus. Current equals to current dot next, and now out of the loop, if current equals to null, return head, and now temp dot next equals to current dot next, and return head. And now in the main function, we call the function giving the argument as position and value. Let's say we want to insert at position 2nd and the value is 38, and set it equals to head. And then we call the print function again, and now if you run this and make sure you type the name correctly, run again, we can see that our node has been inserted at the required position. And now we can visually see what happened when we insert a node at a given position in a linked list. And that's how you insert nodes in linked list. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.